Давай, блядь.
Давай, привет.
Привет, привет.
Привет. I like Air France.
Ja. It's nice the AC here, huh?
Did you bring a pull?
No,
You should have.
I brought nothing.
Because I'm not sure how warm it is. I mean, it's gonna be warm. It was raining and at night it's not. It's quite up north, Hamburg, you know.
Angle.
Ankle.
Wrist, you mean wrist?
Wrist, yes, my wrist. The right one. Like whenever I do boxing or push-ups or whatever, this really hurts.
Ja.
How can I fix this? But I love the airports. Look, this is a very not good place to stand. If I fall here, I'm gonna be dead.
Hello. Yeah, why not?
Send me where the lamp is from. This was a really
Yeah.
nice lamp. Yes.
Okay.
Find out. You are good at it.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may leave your seat when the fasten seatbelt sign is switched off. During the flight, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible to facilitate our checks in case of turbulence. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartment, as that may fall out. Smoking the toilets or tampering with smoke detectors may